Hey guys, welcome back. So after landing at the Bicol airport, me and my family went to the Highlands Park.
That's right, and we had a lot of fun at the park, and now it's time for
Room tour. So as you can see, the living room was a nice TV, lots of stairs, and a nice light.
Yeah, it looked really relaxing, and we definitely had a great time at this room, and especially at this hotel. We've been to a bunch of other hotels before, but this one beats all of them. This one is really good.
And there's the bed, which looks so comfy, can't wait to sleep. And on the other side, you can see me and Jay playing a song.
That's right, we're just sitting there and chilling, and basically this is the room tour of the living room. Yeah, that looks really nice. And this is a quick view of what the bathroom looks like. It was also pretty comfortable, and we were so tired, which is why we fell asleep. And yeah, and the next day we went down to the breakfast hall and had a delicious meal along with the view.
And there I am eating my delicious food.
So after breakfast, we checked out the lounge. It was really relaxing and just looked so amazing. And then now we were just walking to the halls and checking out the rest of the place. And those over there are our cousins, Andre and
Haley.
Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe and hit that bell. See you guys next time. Good.
Bye.